Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. What took you so long? So today's get ready with me is really quick, really simple, really affordable. You can achieve this look right at home with the products that you have from the high-end store, grocery store. I took it myself. Okay. Yeah, so as I was saying, this look can be done right at home with only a few products. As you know, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fun, and I'm using that to set my eye, and I'm going right under my eyebrows, up under that arch with Maybelline's Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade 100. And just to take the harshness from that concealer from my lid a little bit, I take a pressed powder that is closer to my skin complexion from a contour palette by Ruby Kisses that I purchased from my local beauty supply store before I go right in with that pink. Now the palette that I'm featuring today, you all have seen before. It is the 100 Colors palette from Amazon, the color palette 1, and I'm just taking the brightest pink in there and kind of a loose slanted eyeshadow brush, and I'm just packing it onto my lid freely, and then I'm going into my other color, which is just a little bit darker than that powder pink, and I'm gonna start defining my crease. Now this was really quick. I promise I did this look, y'all, within like 10 minutes. I wanted it to look kind of like a winged eyeshadow look, so I took the fuchsia type of pink and I just kind of built into my crease and the corner crease of my eyes, and I just blended it, y'all. That's it. Just blink ain't just strong. That's all I'm doing, and you'll see me doing quite a bit of alternating from eye to eye just to blend those colors in with one another, and you can see it's coming together really good. Now this palette doesn't have any names. I just used every pink that I saw in there, and it created this wonderful look. So y'all already know I'm not really using foundation right now. So right now I am using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I love LA Girl, LA Pro Conceal. It's awesome. It's amazing. So for my contour, I don't use much. I kind of take a little bit of Maybelline's Fit Me in the shade 375, and I just go around the little areas that I did not place the Beautiful Bronze. And that's it. You can see it's not much product, and whatever product is left off on the brush, I just put it on the remainder of my skin. But other than that, that's all, y'all. Like, my foundation routine, my makeup routine is very light. People are surprised because I look so glamorous. But it's really light. I don't do too much, honestly. So you see me setting that Beautiful Bronze with Maybelline's translucent powder in the shade Light 2. And then I'm going to go in again with that same powder that I used from Ruby Kisses that I purchased from my beauty supply store. And I'm just going to set the entire face, and it's gonna bring that whole look together. And I'm gonna go back in with that Maybelline highlighter. And baby, listen, if you have not purchased Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, listen, you need to give that a try, baby. That thing is, whoo, look at that. And y'all know me. Anybody who knows me, I am extra with my highlights, so I had to get it all on there. Yes, Lord. Don't forget your nose, boo. Don't forget your nose. Get it. Yes. So, y'all, this look is really pretty simple. I haven't really changed anything as far as my routine and the way I apply makeup, but I really wanted you all to see this. Listen, comment down below some more looks that you would like to see from your girl. I know y'all really enjoyed the natural hair video, and you're going to see some more of them. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'm talking like I'm on Facebook. This is YouTube, but y'all know what to do. Until next time, thank y'all so much for the love and support. Love you.